In this video, we are going to discuss about the concept of remote sensing. This lesson is a part of CSS GSA preparation. You can subscribe my channel to have updates on CSS GSA. The concept of remote sensing is that it is basically the acquisition of information at a distance about physical objects on earth. So we get information from a certain distance, and the information is about physical objects that are on the surface of earth, like we have trees, we have vegetation, we have buildings. Now, remote sensing detects and classify objects by means of reflected or emitted electromagnetic energy. If you observe this diagram, we have radiations from the sun that are reaching the surface of the earth. Now, the different objects that are on the surface of the earth, like forest, water, grass, bare soil, paved roads, they either reflect, here we are, or they emit radiations which are basically received by sensors at a satellite. Now, this receiving of information through radiations emitted or reflected from the objects on the surface of the earth, this is acquisition of information, and as you can see, this is at a distance. This is the concept of remote sensing. There are two types of remote sensing. One is passive remote sensing. Now, this diagram is about passive remote sensing, in which the radiation that is emitted from the target object. Here the word target object mean these forests, because we want to gather information about the objects on the surface of the earth. So, this forest, this water surface, this grass vegetation, these are our target objects. So, radiation that is emitted from the target objects or reflected by the objects from a natural radiation source. Here the source of radiation is natural, which is sun. So, this type is called passive remote sensing. Second type is active remote sensing. An active device emits energy to the target object and uses a sensor to detect and measure the reflected or back scattered energy, like radar. Take example of this camera, which uses a light source, the flash of the camera, which basically emits light source, and that light is reflected back to the camera. So here when camera uses its light source, now that device emits energy to the target. So we have some target over here. So when energy is emitted by the device, now that is active remote sensing. So the basic concept of remote sensing is to gather information at a distance about the physical objects on the surface of the earth. This is the basic concept of remote sensing. Thank you so much.